I'm Agnes to fashion, travel, lifestyle, DIYs and a lot more, and welcome back to another episode of the Diwali series. In this Diwali series, I'm creating content around Diwali for you guys, and I hope you are enjoying the content so far, and a lot more is yet to come. So, as you must have read by the title, for this video we will be talking about the Diwali decor. I am going to be talking about very affordable decor, very easy to make. It's like all of this took me very less time, just a little bit of effort and something around the mind, and that was it. So we'll be decorating the house a little, the mandir, the staircase, this setup, and all of this will be done in front of you guys, sharing with you like very simple and small tricks. And I hope you guys will enjoy the video, and let's get started. The first DIY we are gonna do is the mandir, because mandir is the most important, because Diwali pe puja to hum mandir mein hi karte hain. This is a quick before of my mandir. We have a mandir built inside the house, and to decorate it I used some leaves and some flowers, and basically my mom helped me make these jhalars. Basically I want to call them jhalars, you can call whatever you want to. And so mama has made these very beautiful flowers, and now mama will teach us how to make them. So how do you make it?
ये 3 लीव्स लिए हैं, इनको ऐसे फोल्ड करके देन ऐसे फ्लावर बनाना है और सेट करके इसको ऐसे
ओवरलैप करना है थोड़ा
ओवरलैप करके, हाँ जी। देन इसके ऊपर एक फ्लावर रख देना हमने और इसको टक कर देना।
Oh, nice. So making these flowers just amped up the whole game. Like, these flowers looked amazing and they were very easy to make, so you can definitely take help of your mom or anybody else, whomever you want to. And I just stuck these flowers on the glass doors of the mandir, and it looked amazing, as you can see right here. And also inside the mandir हमने जो main थाली है उसमें हमने बहुत सारे flowers रखे हैं. On the actual Diwali, we will bring a lotus flower and we'll keep that, because Lakshmi Mata ji ka lotus flower hota hai. And these are the jhalars, like the strings which we made. They kept, we just decorated them inside the mandir, and the outer side of the mandir was decorated with those flowers like I just showed you. And this is the final outcome of the mandir, and I really liked it. This is so Diwali appropriate. I totally loved how it turned out to be, and here is a quick before and after of the mandir. The next thing which we are going to decorate is the staircase. जिनके घर में first floor use होता है उनकी stairs बहुत use होती हैं, just like mine. And I wanted to do something on the stairs, so I thought of adding some plants on the stairs. So guys, ये चारों pots लेके आई थी मैं उस दिन, and आज मैं इनके लिए succulents लेके आई हूँ. And this is how it looks like right now. अभी माली भी आए हुए हैं, वो इसको proper इसके अंदर डाल देंगे, and then we'll keep them in the stairs. And also, if you can see the design, it's similar yet it's different. This one's my favorite and this is my second favorite. It's a great thing to use succulents as indoor plants, because they are indoor plants and they are not very high maintenance and they're very easy to maintain. You just have to water them once a week. तो जिसको भी इंडोर प्लांट्स रखना है, you can go for succulents, because these are like really amazing. And if you live in Panchkula, you can get them at the Cactus Garden. I got it from there. And here's Mali here just planting all of the plants, and then I'm gonna put them in stairs like alternatively. So I have kept one like after every step, so it's like on alternates I've kept them. I got 2 types of succulents and they look amazing, as you can see right here. They're very minimal, but they just amp a little to the staircase, and I really like the feeling of that. I love these plants. The pots are so beautiful. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite pot out of all of these. I totally loved all of them, and yeah, this is a quick before and after of the staircase. The third setup is for the entrance of the house. Like, when you enter the house, you can get the vibe. This is how a very quick before looks like. I have a very nice L-shaped mirror in the front. Like, there's the drawing room inside, and this is just covered with glass. So I wanted to keep some glass bottles there. Like, I wanted to paint them a little and then just make some rangoli out of it. And this is what I'm doing right here. I took some green bottles. These are beer bottles. Do not drink alcohol if you're less than 25. And here I am using just a tape to remark the guidelines so that it's easier for me to like paint them. And you will see I'm not basically painting them. I'm just a second, wait you guys, अभी टेप लगाते हैं then आपको दिखाते हैं कि हमने किया क्या. After applying the tape, I took some bindi. Bindi is very available at home, very easily available at home. But अगर नहीं आप भी मेरी तरह हो तो आपके पास नहीं है इतनी मोटी बिंदी तो आप मार्केट से ला सकते हो. And then I just stick it to the bottom of all the bottles, like to make a nice basically canvas to paint on. Earlier I wanted to paint, but then I realized maybe glitter can look better than the paint, so I opted for glitter. And you will see in a little while that glitter definitely looks much better than the paint. And then I took some Fevicol. With the help of a flat brush, I just applied Fevicol all over the bottle. Not all over, basically tape से नीचे नीचे, and जहाँ पे बिंदी and tape है वहाँ पे glitter नहीं जाएगा. That was my main idea. So yeah, I just applied it with a flat brush, like a even layer. Make sure you apply a even layer, otherwise the glitter will also be more where there's more Fevicol and it'll be less where there's less Fevicol. So I just applied it like a generous nice amount all over the bottle wherever all I wanted it. Then with the help of a glitter, like I took the loose glitter packets में आता है जो it's very easily available. I guess 10 rupees का एक packet होता है, so it's very economical as well. And just applied, sprinkled the glitter all over. मैंने नीचे एक special newspaper रखा था. I used the glitter again for the next bottle. Removing the tape and the bindis, like it just turned out to be so pretty, you guys. Like here I am, just try to remove the bindis like and the tape very precisely, because that can make or break your look. As you can see, it just looks so nicely finished. And if you don't use a tape, if you just paint it apply Fevicol like that, I'm very sure it'll get a little messier. So it's a better idea to just do it like the way I did. I just did it the same thing on all the other 5 bottles. I'm just showing you in a time lapse because I don't think I need to repeat it. But yeah, as you can see, I'm using that glitter only from the last one, and then from the packet, removing all the tapes and the bindis, because yeah, that we have to do. And this is the final outcome. The bottles look very pretty. I am loving them. And then I wanted to keep them in the entrance, so I just kept them for once to see the placement, and that's what I'm doing right here. Then I wanted to make some rangoli, so right now I'm just keeping them and seeing where I want to keep them. And then I took the rangoli colors. Here I chose just orange, blue, green and white, and you'll see the white in a while. So yeah, that's what I did. And the orange color I applied on the base of all the bottles, so I just moved the bottle a little and then applied it. I did a green border on the orange thing, and with the blue I made some zigzag lines. Very easy to make, like I think anybody can do it. This is not a very difficult rangoli. Also अभी एक हफ्ता पड़ा दिवाली में, तो it just will stay, because अगर नीचे रंगोली बनाते वो उतर जाती. Then I am using the orange and green color to make some flowers, and white to make some dots on it. And yeah, that's how I made flowers. And I made flowers all over, like charo taraf. I just made very beautiful flowers, and I love the way it turned out to be. And like when you enter my home now, you see this beautiful rangoli. Like, और ये रंगोली को हटाने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है हफ्ते तक, जब तक दिवाली. I think it'll stay until and unless बहुत तेज़ हवा आती है. Then I kept the bottles. इसमें मम्मा ने मनी प्लांट्स लगा दिए थे इतने देर, and it's my cute mommy trying to replicate me. And yeah, she just helps me with everything. And yeah, this is how the final outcome looks like. And the rangoli is very beautiful. I totally like it. It's a very minimal and very beautiful rangoli. And plants. We all need plants. Plants बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं. Plants लगाया करो. And this is the final outcome. Let me know in the comments if you have planted any plants this Diwali. There's a quick before and after of the look. I saved the best for the last. It is the backdrop or the photo booth, as you can make it. You guys loved the background of my Diwali series, so here's how I made it. So I took a basic stool, kept it जहाँ पे मुझे चाहिए था, because I wanted to keep some candles. took a dupatta, just taped it all over like very nicely. हर थोड़े distance पे tape लगाई ताकि dupatta should not fall off. And then I took another dupatta to cover the table, and I just kept my theme very colorful and nice, and like everything is so colorful. Also I wanted to keep a डोली, तो उसके लिए मेरे को जो मिला मैंने रख दिया. यहाँ पे एक कंबल रखा है मैंने, and I also covered it with it again with a very colorful dupatta. This is Poonam Didi. And then I kept the dolly uske upar because dolly is looking very beautiful and I wanted to keep it. Then comes the candles. I kept 2 basic vanilla candles, and then I kept a very big kanch ka bowl because I wanted to keep some floating candles. और उसके लिए I kept some flowers. So there are basically not some flowers, there are a lot of flower petals, and then I kept my floating candles inside. I chose the green color because I think it just matched the whole vibe, and I just kept some candles, and yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Then I wanted the background to be a little more poppy, so I took these गेंदा का fools, and with the help of tape मैंने हर थोड़े square corner पे ये इसको लगा दिया, and as you can see it just amped up the whole vibe. They were very hard to stick, सब उतरी जा रहे थे बार बार, and I think कुछ videos में कुछ आगे भी आप देखोगे कुछ निकले हुए flowers, but I tried my best and जितने हो सके मैंने लगाए, काफ़ी बार लगाए, but they turned out really nice. As you can see, they look very beautiful. At least to my eyes they look amazing. Then अब हम candles जला रहे हैं just to make the aesthetic look very nice, because I think candles are the most important thing. दिवाली में like candles तो are must, and this is a little bit of the final outcome. As you can see, you also saw it in the Diwali trailer, and इसके ये background मैंने बनाया ही सिर्फ आप लोगों के लिए दिवाली videos के लिए है. And yeah, this is how it looks like, and it's very beautiful to my eyes. This is the very quick before and after of the whole setup. So guys, now you know how I created all of this. This setup is personally my favorite because I did this specially for you guys, and I hope you like the video. I hope you're liking the content so far. I am having a lot of fun curating this content for you guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys so much, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. I love you.